I believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design, and I want to show you a website that you might like. Okay, this is the website. My boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. Yeah, I would add your photos in the gallery link in this link, together with the contact details on this link. Of course, we can add your map as well. Now, if you have any other services that you want to add information about the services, we can also add it here. And about the company profile on this link. Yeah. Now, if this website will be good for you, please do me a favor and hit the reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. Well, I forgot to mention, my name is Julie, and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Deer. Talk to you soon.